Welcome. My name is Vanessa.
I'm Isabel.
Yes, and we're super excited you're here. We're the founders of Billionairette, and you might be wondering, what is Billionairette? What is it all about? Well, we want to share with you our vision and our mission and what's included in the BIC, Billionairette Inner Circle. We were super excited for you to be a part of it. Our mission at Billionairette is to help women leaders all over the world live a successful and prosperous life through the development of their mind, body, and soul. And our vision, most importantly, is to empower 4 billion souls through achieving financial and personal freedom.
Yes, it's so important. And one of the things that we highly believe in is the power of community. So that is why the Inner Circle it embodies community in all aspects. Below, you will notice a breakdown of everything that's included in the Billionaire Inner Circle for your liking. But most importantly, you're going to get access to a private community where it's outside of any distractions like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, all of that. We want to make sure that it's focused. And most importantly, you are surrounded by people that are celebrating your wins, celebrating your victories, and most importantly, are growing together as one.
Yeah, and like-minded individuals. You know, that's something that's so important right now. If you have goals and you're looking to achieve them, it's pretty tough doing it by yourself. But if you have a community of like-minded individuals that are all growing, they're all, trying to achieve greater levels in their life, then this community, this inner circle is definitely for you. We're also going to have, a membership portal where we're going to have 2 sections, one on financial freedom and one on personal freedom. That's going to have so much content that is relative to right here, right now. For example, there's going to be some crypto education in there, some NFT education in there. How do you really grow your business as well in the digital world through social media? We're going to be able to provide that to you. And so we're super excited. There's also going to be accountability. As leaders, we want to make sure that we're holding ourselves accountable, and so we can also hold others accountable as well.
Yes, so if you're ready to just take 2022 to the next level and commit to your personal and financial freedom, then this is the place to start. There's only one obligation, is for you to show up every single day. It's a $222 monthly subscription. You can cancel anytime, but why would you?
Yes.
I mean, it's amazing. So for less than a bag of groceries at Whole Foods, let's be real, you can get personal and financial education that is catered to you in developing your growth, your mindset, your mind, body, and soul.
We're super excited about that. So once you start investing, you're going to build that muscle and start to grow the money. Because if you do have a business, if you don't know, you might know, but you can't grow your business to any amount, even if it's millions or tens of millions or $100 millions and become financial free. You need that money to work for you, and we're all about investing in that to leverage your time to multiply your hard-earned money. So we're definitely excited for you. Get started. We want to see you inside the inner circle today, not now, but right now. Let's make it happen.